If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Before we start this update, I just want to say a thank you to all of you guys that are tuning into these Pepe updates. They're doing way better than I was first anticipating, so really grateful for all the support. We're so close to 7k, I think we're under 100 subs away, so if you could, please do continue to like, subscribe, comment, and share these updates. It really is appreciated. Now let's get into what Pepe is potentially doing. So in my last update, the last few updates, we spoke about this breakout and how it's validated this 120% target, very close to the previous all-time high. This is not a suggestion of its top. This is just a technical target of a pattern that we're currently seeing on the chart. And we had the breakout validating the target. But in that same update, I was saying that we could actually fall back underneath the neckline as we have the moving averages down there. And these are key levels of support that we must hold in order to continue bullish. So the fact that we fell beneath the neckline at that point, we have to say the pattern's target of 120% is invalid. However, as the golden pocket is here, a level that in the past we should have actually saw a new high from. So can you see big push up? This is the impulse, this is the correction into those retracement levels. The golden pocket looking for a new high, a further impulse, continuation. But everything changed when we put in that lower high and lost the golden pocket. We go on a bearish path to these targets, and we're very close to meeting the final two, as you can see over here, but we just missed these. And with that, it's giving us an opportunity to retrace back to the 1 fib level, where if it holds as resistance, we will continue to those targets. But if we actually reclaim that resistance and flip it back into support, as we saw over there, this is changing the structure from downtrend again into an uptrend. And what we now need to see to get that initial that pump that we were meant to see in the past is reclaiming this golden pocket. So we are doing that right now. We saw that it held a support right over here. We broke out. So we're seeing these beautiful things occurring that are showing that Pepe wants to actually break higher. What we now need to see is a continuation of holding this potential inverse head and shoulders, right shoulder over here above the moving averages to keep this bullish. As you can see, the 200 EMA, the white moving average, has appeared. And in the last day, we actually fell beneath both of these and got a nice level of support on the 618 and 65 golden pocket. And this is actually, before the daily candle close, brought a reaction where the bulls have stepped in and closed price not only above this, because you can see we were actually below the golden pocket. So not only did we close above the golden pocket, but also the moving averages. So we reclaimed 4 levels in one candle after losing all 4 levels. We've reclaimed it, and this is a huge bullish signal showing that this is a key level of support. And as the 20, our short-term moving average, is a decider of what is happening in the immediate short term. As it was held as support, we're expecting uptrend continuation in the immediate short term. The level of resistance that we now must see Pepe break is the 0.5 Fibonacci. So make sure you go into your onto your chart and place a fib from this low to this high, going from June until July. And then this is going to give you the exact fib levels. You can see that it's actually slightly off. So let me just correct that for you guys right there. It's not going to change it too much. But yes, so the next level of resistance that we need to break through is again the neckline of this pattern, which is smack bang in line with the 0.5 Fibonacci 12415 on the MEXC chart for Pepe. And so with that, this level of resistance needs to be broken to validate those targets, to get this continuation to this 120% target. I think it is, let's just double check that. Yeah, 125% move. So it's on the cards again, as we've held these shorter term bullish moving average. The 200 EMA is a longer term one, so we're holding both at the very same time. It's also the golden pocket over here. So multiple suggestions that as long as this is being maintained as support, we should eventually break this high and then continue to this target. Thank you guys again so much for the continued support on these Pepe updates. If there's any sort of specific Pepe videos that you want to see, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, please continue to like, subscribe, comment, share. Shows YouTube that you're enjoying this and gets these videos out to more like-minded people like ourselves. If you want to take action on my education, I have multiple things in place, like a Discord community where we do 2 weekly group calls. If you want free access to that for 3 months, take action on my course or mentorship plan, which is now discounted. So use the links in the description down below. Head over to Twitter and private message me there for the discount promo code that will last until the end of this month on my course, ebook and mentorship. But with the course and mentorship, you will get my Discord community free for your first 3 months, where every single week we have 2 group calls on Tuesdays and Thursdays that we've just finished up on. So next week, hope to see more of you in there for those group calls on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Cheers, everyone. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.